Okay, guys. So we're preparing for a deep freeze. You know what that is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Snow.
Snow.
A lot of snow.
No, it's supposed to get really cold. Like your first ever. Like how cold do you think is really cold though?
Barely. Are we going outside?
We're gonna go outside. We gotta go clean up the backyard to prepare for this.
But God, we don't need to clean out there.
Yeah, well no. Our backyard. Because if we don't clean it, it's gonna turn into a skating rink.
I like skating. So can you turn it into
And make it a skating rink? They don't skate.
Yeah, Sam stays in the basement.
In the basement? Alright, let's go clean up our backyard. And clean up your princess house.
Going to get it. Okay? Savannah and Kobe adventure. So much now, my phone is up there. See?
How's your phone up there? Alright, let's get the shoveling. Let's clean up before the deep freeze.
Eddie,
We're gonna throw everything out here.
why?
Where are you gonna put the snow? On the lawn. People gonna take the snow? There's lots of snow for people. Okay, come on. Get to work. Hey, grab this basketball net. Pick it up. No, it's not snowman time. It's clean up so we can get ready for the deep freeze. Good job. Your soccer ball? It ain't soccer season.
I'm in soccer.
Are you?
I already win the trophy.
Have you seen that? The phone's not gonna fall. Keep shoveling. Well, why don't we get that pylon out of the middle? The pylon? That one. Go. Is it frozen? Oh, it's frozen. Is it? Whoa, come on, muscles. Muscle. Woo! Keep shoveling. Hi. I'm trying to stay warm.
Hi, Granula.
This is the warmest spot outside.
Hi, Granula.
Yep, get all that snow so it don't freeze.
And the showing. What is this?
What is what? What is it? Is it a fossil? Is it an animal? Ew. What is that? It's a snake. What is it? Oh, it's an oven mitt. An oven rag.
Get there!
It's frozen. Alright, keep shoveling.
I need to dig up this side so we can get out.
Good job. Yep, take that snow outside. Good job.
I will throw it.
Okay, because if we don't clean up, you're going to turn into an ice rink. Something dirty back there?
Yeah.
Put the snow on it. Come on, guys. I still see snow. Yeah, let's clean up the trampoline so it don't freeze.
Some are frozen.
Some are frozens.
Daniel, you shoveled snow too. Oh, I see some snow.
Oh, you got the big shovel? You gonna do more work with that?
There was ice in it.
There's ice.
It's frozen.
It's frozen? Why are you bringing ice into the garage? Into the backyard?
Cause.
What are you gonna do?
I'm big. Ew. I was digging that.
Well, there's lots of stuff to dig.
I still see some snow. And look at Kobe's window. And open. What are you doing?
I'm actually gonna shovel. You guys do.
I have guys, we're taking the snow out because we're doing something today. So we can play out there. So we are out of snow, okay?
Why are we doing that?
Because I want an ice cream. And I want a big one. I want a big one. And my phone's all the way up there. And Kobe's room is freezing. But you come stop.
1, 2, 3, snow busted.
To the snow
Busters.
Snow buster. What are we doing? No, you're done.
Some snow.
You're done.
Yeah, how long you guys want to do this for?
We want to show you. We clean the snow.
Okay, go. Okay, so after hard work, playing the snow. You gonna make one? Whoa. You got one too? Good job.
And